Okay, so to start off, these are the basic required tools that you'll need in order to complete this project. 2 floor jacks, your replacement shocks of course, a lug wrench, a couple of ratchets, a 17 and a 12mm socket, a torque wrench, a flathead or pry bar, a hammer if needed, and a safety block to support the front wheels from rolling. Okay, so after you remove the 17 and the 12mm nuts, you want to go ahead and try to remove this shock from the hub of the car. Personally, I used either a wiggling or a hammering method, as you can see here in this video. Please note that I also used a jack to support the under tray right there where the coil is at, so that way as you remove this shock, the whole suspension assembly will not just fall to the ground. Alright, so next, if you want to go ahead and remove the shock top mount here, and also the bump stop, use this pretty nifty method that I came up with. I'll use a vice grip and a 14mm open end. Okay, so I'm applying counteracting forces here. It actually doubles the amount of strength to remove this nut. Now we are going to go ahead and compare both the 350Z and the stock Otaco G35 premium sports suspension here. This is a complete measurement of the 350Z shock from end to end. And this is the complete measurement of the G35 shock also. Now, as you can see, this is a slight difference. And actually, both the shock tubes surprisingly are the same length. Okay, so for the final step, you want to go ahead and just replace everything back on that 350Z shock or on your replacement shock in reverse order. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.